Rocking boats, shaky hands, and low light conditions are all factors that can turn tying a simple knot into a nightmare. At some point, every angler has experienced losing a hook, leader, or a lure, and it's always because of an error in the line. That's why, whether you're a professional or a novice, you need a knot tying tool. It shrinks the time you spend on setting up your line and ensures that every knot is secure and in place. There are different styles and shapes on the market, and choosing the right one is a matter of preference. There are even some tools that come with some additional features like hook cleaners and line cutters. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best fishing knot tying tools to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Knot Needle. The fishing knot needle offers you a new, improved, and trusted way to tie a knot. It can tie as many as 20 different knots, all in a quick, easy, and better and professional manner. It is very quick and efficient in offering you tied up knots so that you do not waste precious time in bargain when you decide to go fishing. You can safely presume it is a must-have product in a tackle box for seamless and fruitful fishing. You can easily slip this fishing knot tying tool in any pocket, in a tackle bag, or vest. It is sure to prove to be beneficial when assisting anglers in tying all kinds of common fly fishing knots. This includes surgeon's knot, blood knots, clinch knots, nail knots, improved clinch knots, orifice knots, perfection knots, dropper loop knots, unit knots, as well as non-slip knots. It effortlessly satisfies the needs of every fisherman and angler and all types of fishing conditions. Number 4. SF Fishing Knot Tying Tool. A 4-in-1 tool, the SF Fly Fishing Zinger Knot Tying Tool combines the features of the oval and circular retractor, measuring tape zinger, and nipper. This knot tying tool is built with durable stainless steel that is very lightweight and handy, aiding all your knot tying needs. Aside from the knot tying portion, of course, there's a hook sharpener, a hook eye cleaner, and a line cutter. Because of the good quality, build, and finish of the metal used for the product, all these tools perform admirably. The SF Fly Fishing Zinger Knot Tying Tool additional features are held by a D-ring and attached to a retractable zinger to keep everything in place. This particular product is meant for fly fishing. If you intend to use this knot tying tool for somewhat lighter fishing lines, it could work, but we do not guarantee as we never tested it for that purpose. Number 3. SAMSFX Fishing Knot Tying Tool. The SAMSFX Fishing Line and Hook Knot Tying Tool kit include 4 different fly fishing tools in one package. This consists of a quick nail knot tool, hook tier, loop tire, and retractors, which meets more of your fly fishing needs in a single purchase. The fishing knot tying tool can tie your line securely in a matter of minutes, so you don't have to worry about your knot coming undone, especially when tying nail knots. The hook tier is a brass multi-tool that is great for connecting fishing line to the hook, and essential knot tool for carp fishing and fly fishing. Also, the loop tire is made of plastic that allows you to tie the loop knots for hair rigs or hook lengths quickly. It can also be used as a hook remover for disgorging hooks. Lastly, the carabiner style zinger with a gun black zinc alloy frame and a retractable 24 inches by 60 cm nylon harness is perfect for a quick release hook. It has a nice lanyard and it's burr free. It's actually really helpful for those who are just starting to love the art of angling or even those who have poor eyesight. However, you need a few practices to get a handle on tying a nail knot, but don't let that discourage you. Number 2. Tyepro Fishing Knot Tying Tool. This product from Tyepro brand is a superb pick that beginners make for tying knots. It is a very easy to use unit that is even used by some of the pros in the business. There's a spring-loaded handle in the unit that provides a pretty firm grip so that you can even work in rough conditions. Even a complete novice can tie a reliable knot without facing too much trouble. In addition to tying knots, there is an accessory attached to the unit in the form of a line cutter that is manufactured using stainless steel. Moreover, it is fully resistant to corrosion that can be very useful in saltwater. On top of that, people having shaky hands or poor vision will find it incredible to use. The complete unit is manufactured in the United States to make sure buyers don't have to worry about the authenticity. Moreover, it can work with tackles used for crappie, walleye, perch, smallmouth bass, and catfish among others. Overall, this product is a perfect option that you can shop for having a wonderful experience. Number 1. HOOK-EZE Fishing Knot Tying Tool. HOOK-EZE is this affordable and quick knot tying tool that will quickly take a permanent residence in your tackle box. Made of UV stabilized propylene and stainless steel, it's resistant to all weather conditions and salt water. Although it's generally small, it fits any hook size, from the standard 4x0 down to the smallest 28. This means it works well for small trout hooks as well as medium-sized perch and walleye hooks. However, it's not large enough to accommodate the ones used for large bass. The tool is multifunctional and is suitable for all ages and experience levels. It can be used to join braided or monofilament lines or join a line to tippet, jigs, or leaders. It'll make you feel like a professional tying standard knots like double blood, Yucatan, and FG knots, in addition to some advanced ones like clinch and Palomar knots. Along with the knot tying device comes a stainless steel line cutter to trim your line and a built-in swivel, which helps create turns on the line to be tied easily. Moreover, it features a hook cover which enables you to cover the hook's sharp barbs while working at the knot. This is beneficial in many ways. For one thing, it renders the tool safe for children to join the line to hook without injuring their hands. For another, you'll be able to travel with your poles fully rigged without worrying about hook getting caught on anything. There are a few things every angler should know a thing or two when it comes to fishing to be successful. The combination of equipment, fishing, locations, and some pivotal fishing line knots. In simpler terms, a knot tying tool helps make your life easier. And for an angler like you, you'll need all the convenience you can get to make each fishing trip stress-free. However, getting the best fishing knot tying tool is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.